Today I'm going to talk about support and resistance. It's like a naked trading tool that's really easy after a while. So let's get started. What is support and resistance? So support and resistance is a range where the price stops more than once and reverses. So here we have support. So it bounces back and goes to the next resistance. Here it breaks. So the most important thing is when a support or resistance breaks, it becomes the opposite. So now it's resistance, but and now you break the resistance. So now this line becomes support. Yeah, here it broke again. So now it becomes resistance again. You test the support, go back up, resistance, support, resistance. You break it, it becomes support, support and breaks, resistance breaks, and it goes on a long time. So a support line, you can draw it back into the past, and it will always be quite accurate. Is it possible to trade on support and resistance? I would say yes and no, because it's an indicator. It's good for swing trading as an extra. So if the current price comes to your support area, it's not a line. Uh, you should fine tune it on the lower time frame. And for day trading and scalping is really bad because the reason is that on the lower time frame the levels are not respected that much. When is support or resistance broken? It's when a full candle close, a significant full candle close, is over or under the level. So a close is when a candle opens and it closes. So you have a full body above or below the support or resistance area. A wick doesn't count. A wick is just a line. Yeah, it counts in a green candle or a red candle. So if you see it in an example, these are wicks, so there's nothing here, so this stays resistance. Here you have significant candle above the resistance area. So this resistance is broken, so it becomes support. Here you have another one. It becomes resistance again. So resistance, but here it doesn't count. It's an area, as I say. So this one is not. This resistance is not broken here, but if you see here, it does. So how to use a support or resistance level for an entry? So you choose. You will draw your support and resistance lines on the 4 hour of any chart. You can use it on stocks, crypto, anything, commodities. You just draw all those support and resistance lines, and when the current price goes to one of your levels, you go to a lower time frame, 15 or 1 hours, to search for another level that's relevant to the lower time frame, and there you can put long or short. It doesn't matter. So on the higher time frame, you will create your levels. I just drew one. So this is the support for a long time. Pa, 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 pa. But here you break it, so it becomes resistance. So you go to the lower time frame, the 50 minutes I chose here. You draw some support and resistance lines on the lower time frame. So this is the most significant resistance level that's next. We were also already a bit late, so you can use this as a support line, but yeah, it's not that good. So you look for the lines. So here you want to take a short, because we broke the high time frame support level. So we should want to short this resistance level. So I chose to take this short and hang on. I shorted this level and put the stop above the next resistance level, which is here. And yeah, the target would have been this price event. And yeah, if we look at the trade today, we did not got filled. So I had an entry here. Hang on, where did I have an entry? Around there. Okay. I think it was here, and the stop would have been here. So, no, this had already happened. I think it was more like this. Yeah, this was a line. So I wanted to short this. It did not get filled, but the target would have been filled because the target was here. Was it? I think it was here. So, to keep in the back of the mind, uh, it was a good trade, but yeah, we did not get filled. So next time, I hope we have more luck. So, how do you learn to trade on support and resistance? The only thing you can do is draw support and resistance lines and see if they're respected by the market. What's really important is that you draw those lines on the high time frame, because on the low time frame it does not work. Yeah, it's not respected that much, and yeah, it will not work. You can also try fictional trades, like the one I did, and yeah, practice, practice, practice. Yeah, very easy. So what I want you to do now is do not like, do not subscribe, or I will try to find your entry and try to liquidate you. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next one.